Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python tutorial series. In the last video, we got Python installed and ran our first program. Now we are taking the next step, learning about user input, output, variables and data types in Python. These are the fundamentals of Python programming, and by the end of this video, you will be able to take user input, display output and work with different types of data in Python. So grab your keyboard and let's get started. Let's start with something simple, displaying output on the screen. In Python, we use the print function for this. So the syntax of print function is write print, and in the open parenthesis, you can write whatever you want to be print. Let's say hello world. Now we say the program, and in the terminal we can run the file. So you can see hello world, and you can print multiple statements. If you want to print hello world, again you can do that, or I will change the text here. Hi, save this and again go here and run. So you can see it has printed hello world hi. Now let's make our program interactive by taking user input. In Python we use the input function to get input from the user. So the syntax of input is input, and we can write here what's your name. So the input which is been received should be stored in one variable. So we write name equal to input. Now we will just print the name. The name variable will be printed. Now we can just run the program. When we run the script, Python will pause and wait for the user to enter the name. Once we type in, let's say we write Ullas and click on enter, the program will start printing the message. Easy, right? Alright, now let's talk about variables. Think of variables as containers that store data. You can assign values to variable like this. Let's say for example, age is 25, name is Alice, height is let's say 5.6. Here we have created three variables. Age stores a number, name stores a name, and height variable will have the height, which stores as a decimal number. Variables make it easy to reuse and manipulate data in your code. Now we will just print all the variables. Now we save the program and run the code. Now here we can see the age, name and height is displayed. Let's put everything together into a small program. We will ask the user for their name and age and then print a message using these variable. So to do that, we can write name equal to input, enter your name, and for age we will write input, enter your age. Now we will print the message. Now we can run this code. Enter your name John, enter your age 23. So now the message is printed. Notice how we are using plus to combine text, but there is a small issue. Input will always returns a string. So if you want to perform calculations on age, so it will be very difficult. So we can just do that by writing integer int input, enter your age and close this. So now we can use plus to add one age. So now we just run this program, enter your name Ullas, age 24, and it gives hello Ullas, you are 25 years old. So now we can do calculations with this variable. Awesome. Now you understand how to take user input, display output and use variables with different data types in Python. These are the building blocks for everything. In the next video, we will dive into operators and expressions in Python. So stay tuned. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Python tutorials. See you in the next video. Happy coding.